A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Jai Hind everyone. As we all know, today we come together with immense joy and gratitude to celebrate a day that holds a special place in our hearts, Teachers' Day. It's a day when we pay tribute to those remarkable individuals who have dedicated their lives to lightening the lamp of knowledge in our hearts and minds. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September, which is the birth anniversary of one of the greatest educators and visionary leaders the world has ever seen, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was not just a teacher, he was a philosopher, a scholar, and an exemplary statesman. His life and work exemplified the transformative power of education. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great person who became the first Vice President of India for 2 terms and then the second President of the country. He was also a good teacher, philosopher and writer. Every year in India, his birthday is celebrated on 5th September as Teachers' Day by the students. He was born on 5th September 1888 in Tirutani, Madras, in a very poor Brahmin family. Due to the financial condition of the house, he completed his education with the help of a scholarship. Dr. Radhakrishnan received his early education from Govadiya School, Tiruvellur, Lutheran Missionary School, Tirupati, Verghese College, Vellore, and then Madras Christian College. He was very interested in philosophy, so he did his BA and MA, got a degree in philosophy. In the Madras Presidency College, after completing his MA degree, he was hired as an assistant lecturer in 1909. He had expertise in the classics of Hindu philosophy like Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Shankara, Madhva, Ramanuja, etc. Along with the philosophies of Western thinkers, he was also well versed in Buddhist and Jain philosophy. He became the professor of philosophy at Mysore University in 1918 and was soon nominated to professor of philosophy at Calcutta University in 1921. Later, he was called from Oxford University to give lectures on Hindu philosophy. Dr. Radhakrishnan, through his hard efforts, was able to put Indian philosophy on the world maps. Later in 1939, he was elected as a Vice Chancellor of Andhra University and Banaras Hindu University. He was also appointed UNESCO in 1946 as the Ambassador of Soviet Union in 1949. Dr. Radhakrishnan became the first Vice President of India in 1952 and was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954. After serving the country for 2 terms as the Vice President of India, he decorated the post of President of India in 1962 and retired in 1967. He died on 17th April 1975 after giving his great service to the country for years. Now, why is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day? Dr. Radhakrishnan believed that teachers should be the best mind in the country. During his presidency, some of his students and friends requested permission to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. In response, he humbly said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day." Since then, his birthday has been commemorated as Teachers' Day in India. Today, as we remember Dr. Radhakrishnan, we also remember the thousands of teachers across India who play a pivotal role in shaping the future of our nation. They are the architects of our dream, the mentors who guide us through the labyrinth of knowledge, and the silent architects of our society's progress. For this, a heartfelt thank you to all the teachers for their tireless efforts and a wish for a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Priya. Now, moving further, I would like to call upon my fellow mate Achal Kamble from 11th batch to represent a beautiful song with lots of emotion. We dedicate this song to our teachers. तुम आँखों से बताना हम समझ जाएंगे, तुम हल्के से डांटना हम सुधर जाएंगे, तुम आँखों से बताना हम समझ जाएंगे, तुम आँखें से डांटना हम सुधर जाएंगे, तुम्हारे लेक्चर में हमने जब तुम नहीं देखे। हम हर सब्जेक्ट पढ़ लेंगे अगर तुम सिखाओ। हम हर सब्जेक्ट पढ़ लेंगे अगर तुम सिखाओ। तुम गुरु रहो हमारे, हम समझ जाएंगे। तुम आँखों से बताना, हम समझ जाएंगे। ओ यार मेरे, पढ़ाई का मतलब समझता नहीं ज़माना। ज़माने की फिक्र नहीं, मैं चाहूँ तुम्हें समझाना। ओ एक मेरी ख्वाहिश यही कि पूरी तुम कर जाना। ओ जितने भी एग्ज़ाम यही की पूरी सब कर जाना। कागज़ों पर सबने अपने लफ्ज़ लिखे, हमने अपने जज्बात भी सजा के है रखे। कागज़ों पर सबने अपने लफ्ज़ लिखे, हमने अपने जज्बात भी सजा के है रखे। तुम गुरु रहो हमारे, हम सुधर जाएंगे। तुम आँखों से बताना, हम समझ जाएंगे। तुम दिल से पढ़ाना, हम समझ जाएंगे। तुम आँखों से बताना, हम समझ जाएंगे। Thank you teachers for all your support and keep enlightening our futures with teaching and guiding. आपने जैसे हमारा हाथ थामा है, वो हाथ कभी नहीं छोड़िएगा। थामा जिसने भी, कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह भर बने वही। थामा जिसने भी, कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह भर बने वही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। हाँ मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। हम शायद ही याद ना रख पाए वो हर चीज़ जो आपने सिखाई है। हम शायद ही याद ना रख पाए वो हर चीज़ जो आपने सिखाई है, पर एक चीज़ हम हमेशा याद रखेंगे। पर वो एक चीज़ हम हमेशा याद रखेंगे कि ज़िंदगी आपने बनाई है, कि ज़िंदगी आपने बनाई है। Thank you, Achal. Now I call upon Miss Trupti from 11th batch to express herself in front of you all. Give her a big round of applause.
जीवन में जो राह दिखाए, उस राह में जो चलना सिखाए। जीवन में जो राह दिखाए, उस राह में जो चलना सिखाए। माता पिता से जो पहले आए, वो हमारे शिक्षक कहलाए। जय हिंद, good evening to everyone. Myself Cadet Trupti Jadhav of 11th batch. I am here to share for importance of today, that why we celebrate today as a Teachers' Day. Teachers plant the seed of knowledge that grow forever. Teachers are the pillars of our life. They give their time to enhance our lives and take it forward. Teachers not only gives us education, but they always try to make us good human beings. This day is worthy of country's first vice president and great educationist, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of December to honor and acknowledge the contribution of teachers to society and to the education system. A teacher is a friend. A teacher is a friend, philosopher and guide who holds our hand upon our mind and teaches our head. The contribution of a teacher cannot be ignored at all. It may countries across the world. Teachers' Day is a special day where teachers of our school, colleges and universities are honored specially. At my end speech, I end my speech with a good saying: students are the stone and the teachers are the jewelers who make the students diamond. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Trupti. Now I call upon Mr. Abhishek to present a beautiful song which is written as well as composed by him. He has written this song at the very midnight with a lot of dedication and love towards our teachers. So may I request him to take over the stage and